Unlike traditional class-based courses, online courses provide a hassle-free way to gain new skills and knowledge. Taking an online course is convenient, but it also comes with a lot of challenges if not done effectively. Many individuals enroll in a course thinking it'll be easy but then lose motivation, get distracted, or even quit halfway. Although online learning gives you freedom, that freedom can also become a challenge if not taken with the right approach. In today's video, we'll discuss 4 mistakes that most people make when taking an online course. First, one mistake is lack of course research before enrolling. Most people don't do proper research before taking an online course. Maybe the flexible modules fascinate you in the beginning, but after a few topics, you realize the content is outdated and poorly structured. Sounds familiar, right? Not all online courses are created equal. Do you know that 60% of learners who quit online courses say the material wasn't engaging or useful? That's a waste of time as well as your money. So, before enrolling in any course, you should check reviews, ratings, and course previews. Also, look for student feedback and see if the course actually delivers what it says or not. Next biggest mistake is to underestimate the workload. Most people think it's just an online course. How hard can it be? But here's the fact: online courses require just as much effort as traditional class-based courses. According to Piers Steele, self-paced learners often face difficulties with time management, resulting in procrastination and last-minute cramming. And you know what? Rushing through a course at the last minute can lead to stress and poor performance. You can check the syllabus to understand what's expected before enrolling. Also, set study time each week and stick to it. Another mistake you might be making is not taking notes. Did you know people forget 50% of newly learned information within an hour if they don't actively engage with it? If you're just listening to lectures or watching videos without taking notes, most of the things you learn will disappear from your brain before you even complete the course. Do you know that research from the Norwegian University of Science and Technology has shown that handwritten notes improve retention compared to typed notes? So, don't just listen or watch, write things down for your ease. Last but not the least mistake is you don't apply practically what you learn. Most learners often skip quizzes and projects, assuming they're optional. However, just listening or watching lessons does not guarantee understanding. You should apply the information after the completion of every lesson. Remember that knowledge without action is useless. The more you apply what you learn, the faster you'll master it. These are the 4 mistakes that you should avoid when taking an online course. Remember, the more effort you put in, the more valuable your learning experience will be. So, now is the time to avoid these mistakes and make your online learning experience more effective with Inspire London College.